On behalf of the 16 doctors and over 100 staff members of Harvard Eye Associates and Alicia Surgery Center, and following the direction of the California Governor and Orange County Health Authority, I'm very pleased to let you know that we're back and open to take care of our patients. Our office is taking great care to protect you and your loved ones from COVID-19, and this video will help you understand what to expect when you come see us. First, you may receive a communication from your doctor before your visit. Please review that information carefully and follow the instruction it contains. It's for your safety. When you come for a visit, please arrive no earlier than 10 minutes before your scheduled appointment time. Everyone who enters one of our offices will have their temperature checked and answer questions about their health history. We're doing this for our own staff members as well. Everyone must also bring a mask, a homemade cloth face covering or scarf will work, and we will wear masks and gloves as well. Please bring your mobile phones as a way to communicate on-site if needed. We love seeing your loved ones, but it's not safe right now to have extra people in the office. Please come alone unless you need a single family member to provide physical or communication assistance. We have reduced the number of patients we're seeing and spread out the chairs in our lobbies to allow for social distancing. You'll find hand sanitizer readily available, and we'll be using it and washing hands quite frequently. Public areas will be cleaned and sanitized several times throughout the day, and exam rooms will be cleaned before and after every single patient. Please realize there's a risk in coming in any medical facility right now, but there's also risk staying home when you need your eyes taken care of. We're giving our best effort to minimize your risk in the office, and we appreciate you cooperating as well. The world is changing a lot right now, but our practice has been in Orange County since 1974. Every one of us considers it a true privilege to take care of our patients, who we think of not just as neighbors and friends, but also as extended family. Nothing is more important to you than your vision, and nothing is more important to us than honoring your trust by treating you as we would treat our own loved ones. Thank you sincerely for giving us that trust. We can't wait to see you again.